In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Discord, so it's pretty easy. At the end of this video, I will show you the most important step. So basically, as you can see, now I have a light theme. So how can we turn it to the dark mode? It's pretty easy. Open the app and then just log in. So after that, we need just to open our settings. So in the bottom of the app near your nickname and avatar, find the user settings. The button looks like this, so click on it, and after that we'll open our settings page, and now we need to find the appearance in app settings. So click on appearance in this menu, and then we have a topic theme, and here we can choose dark, light, or sync with computer. So if we'll choose dark, it will be like a dark mode. So guys, this is a way how you can turn on the dark mode on your Discord. So I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.